Ms. Ainley, follow the injunction, follow that requirement, no contact. And no contact means no contact. She's crying, she's complaining, she's crying, she's complaining, she's saying all of these things. You just gotta hang up. And I don't know what's going on in Polk County, just for the record, just because you said it, I was gonna take judicial notice. I can't find anything, at least involving Ms. Ainley. So I don't know if it involves the children, if they're being charged or whatnot, but I find nothing in Polk County,
I think it was two older children that aren't his.
like in
were-
Erickson. I don't even know their names right now, but you gotta avoid them too. I don't know how to, I mean, if you file your own, you can file your own injunctions. You can file your own TROs, temporary restraining orders. If that's gonna be, what's good for the goose is good for the gander. And if she's gonna violate, she's gonna harass you by getting you